Welcome to the next session. In this session, we are going to look at calculating the upper quartile and the lower quartile of ungrouped data. Last time, we looked at how to get the median of ungrouped data, and we said we get the middle of the median of ungrouped data by cancelling out. We just cancel the numbers given from the left hand side and the right hand side, then get the middle value. The one that remains is your median. Or if two numbers remained in the middle, you add them, then divide by 2. So today we want to look at how to calculate now the upper quartile and the lower quartile of ungrouped data. So we will use an example like the one here. Determine the upper quartile and the lower quartile of the numbers. The numbers are 5, 10, 6, 5, 8, 7, 3, 2, 7, 8, 8, 9. So you are told to calculate the what? You are told to calculate the upper quartile and the lower quartile. So before we calculate the upper quartile and the lower quartile, I will want you to calculate the median. Get the median of that data. So you have 2 minutes to get the median. Okay, good. So I hope you have the correct median. So let us do it together. So we said to calculate median, you first arrange the numbers into ascending order. So from the numbers we have, so we are saying that you arrange those numbers in ascending order. You arrange them in ascending order. So arrange in ascending order. So in this one, if we arrange the ascending order, we'll start with 2 is the smallest, then 3, then 4 is not there. So the next number is 5. There are 2 5s, so 5, 5. Our next number is 6. Our next number is 7. The 7 are 2. 7 are 2, so 7, 7. Okay, 7 missing, and 7 missing. Then 8, there are also 2, 8, 8. Then there is 9, there is 10. So the numbers in arranging order are 2, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, and 10. So if we start cancelling out, there are 7 somewhere. So if we start cancelling out, we'll get 7 as our median. So hope you had 7 in our working. So that's the median. What about the upper quartile? We say that the lower quartile first. We say that the lower quartile is the median of the first half. The median of the first half is the lower quartile. So we will start by getting the first half of our data. So we extract the half of our data. So that is 2, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. So the first half of this data is 2, 3, 5, 5, 6, 6. Then after getting the first half of the data, then we find its median by cancelling out. We find the median by cancelling out. So the median of the first half is the lower quartile. So let's cancel out. Let's cancel out our data. Let's cancel out our data. So here 2 will go with 7. 3 it will go with 6. So we have two numbers that are remaining, 5 and 5. So we'll add the two numbers, 5 plus 5, then we get 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the median of our lower quartile is 5, which is our lower quartile, which is the lower quartile of our data. Good. So let's look at the upper quartile now. Upper quartile. The upper quartile. So just as we have done in the lower quartile, we get now the second half of our data. The second half of our data, then we get the median of that second half. So we divide the data into 2 to get the second half. So our data was 2, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. So when we divide this data into 2, remember there are 11 numbers. So the first half will go up to the sixth number. Then the second half will count from the left hand side, from the right hand side up to the sixth again. So 7, one of the 7 there will belong in the first half and will also belong in the second half. It will be shared. So our second half comprises of these numbers 7, 7, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9, and 10. So what is the median of this number? Let's use our method cancelling out. So we'll cancel out from, so that 7 on the left will go with 10 on the right. 7 on the left will go with 9 on the left. So we remain with two numbers in between, 8 and 8. So we'll add the two numbers, 8 plus 8 to get 16. Divide by 2. So our median is 8. So the upper quartile is the median of the second half. So 8 becomes the upper quartile of our data. As simple as that. So you have an assignment. Calculate the upper quartile, calculate the upper quartile and the lower quartile of the following numbers. Calculate the upper quartile and the lower quartile of the following numbers. The first set of numbers, 20, 27, 31, 35, 28, 25, 24, 29, 27, 28, 29 27, 22, and 23. Then our next numbers, so get the median. The number 2, the numbers are 34, 40, 34, 50, 60, 55, 33, 43, 44, 27, 89, 33, 66, and 99. So get the upper quartile and the lower quartile of the first sum, then the lower quartile and the upper quartile of the second sum. Goodbye.